Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have Glossybox, this gorgeous May box. So let's get in here and see what we've got. Glossybox is gifted to me free for review, but I always feel compelled to say you will always get my honest review, and Glossybox is a box that I subscribe to for more than a year, probably 2 years, before they started offering it to me for review. So I stand behind this box 100%. It always gives me an opportunity to try skincare that doesn't seem to make my face as mad as some skincare. Let's get in here. Isn't this just a gorgeous box this month? I mean, if that doesn't say hello May, we're headed into spring, it's just gorgeous. And another beauty of subscribing to Glossybox, if you use my link and subscribe for a year, your first box will be $1. But the beauty part is, I am waiting now to receive my summer box, and the summer box, I think it's going to be $30 if you're subscribed, $35 if you're not subscribed. But in 20 of the summer boxes that go out, they are going to put golden tickets where you could win a travel size T3 hairdryer. It's a $149 value. Plus the summer box looks awesome. But anyway, this is May, so let's open May now and see what we've got. It's one of those boxes that I just always keep. It's such great quality, and look, even the inside with the yellow and the blue and the little gold accents. I just love this box. That is what it looks like. It's bundled up so nicely for us. So let's open it up like it's a little present to us from us. We have our paperwork that will tell us everything we need to know about what is in here. It's such a pretty, almost Tiffany blue paper. Oh, and it's the same color as the shred. And that is what we have on the inside. As a rule with Glossybox, we usually get about 6 products. And right on top, we have the Uriage Eau Thermale. And it is a thermal water, and that is what it looks like. I love this. I have like Evian in this, and we got a Caudalie water mist that was just water that other people weren't as thrilled with. I loved, because with sensitive skin, if I want to refresh during the day, this is exactly what I want to do. I'm going to do it just here in a minute. The paperwork says this is just an extra treat, packaged directly at the source of the French Alps and filled with mineral salts. This skincare water is just what you need to moisturize, soothe, and protect your skin. It's perfect for those hot summer days ahead. Spray it on your face and body as often as you'd like for cooling hydration. This is the travel size, and it is 50 ml for $3.50. If it were the full-sized 150 ml, it would be $12. Well, let's try it out. Let's see if I find it refreshing. Oh, so refreshing. Oh my gosh. This room, I've been saying it lately, tastes a little salty. This room is upstairs in my house, which is why it has the pitched eaves, and it gets so warm in here. Oh my gosh, that just, you know what? This is gonna live right here on my desk. That felt so refreshing. Reaching in next, we have the Nipe Mineral Bath Salt, and I have actually tried and loved this before, but I'm a bath girl. You know, when things get too stressed and I need to run away, I run to my bath. So I love a nice bath salt. The paperwork says valerian and hops mineral bath salt. Dream away. After a busy day, nothing's better than a pampering bath. Agreed. These stress-relieving salts promote better sleep thanks to the calming benefits of valerian essential oil. The pure, uncontaminated thermal spring salt cleanses and naturally detoxifies. And this is a 2.1 ounce, $4 packet. And it says if you don't have a bathtub by chance, to just make a bowl of warm water and put this in it and soak your feet. That sounds good too. All right, so we have a thermal salt theme going on with the 2 products we've opened so far. Next, right on top, I have the Aveda Nutriplenish Leave-In Conditioner. I do love to try a leave-in conditioner, and I used to use Aveda. I don't know why I went away from it. I used to use it, you know why? Because it used to be easy to get anywhere, and then they went to you had to only get it in salons. I've gone down the rabbit hole. Aveda. The paperwork says that this is a travel size and has a $12 value. If it was full-sized, it would be $37. Shield your hair from UV rays and heat damage with this 98% naturally derived formula. Free from silicones, parabens, and sulfate cleansers, it protects against the drying effects of the sun, leaving your hair nourished all day. Shake well, mist clean hair, damp or dry. Detangle or style as usual. For fine to medium hair, apply mid-shaft to ends. For thick, highly textured hair, apply from the roots to the ends. Yeah, I apply anything that's like a leave-in or anything like that. I always apply mid-shaft to ends. I'm gonna spray it in my hand and we'll smell it and then I'll decide if I'm gonna drag it through. So it's a really nice mist. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh, it smells lovely. I like, yeah, I'm gonna put this in my hair just because it's got a little bit of slip to it, a little bit of that oil. I'm gonna put it under here because that's where I tend to frizz when I start getting warm. I'm catching I have these nice halo earrings, I'm catching my fingers in them. I love these halo earrings. I have like 4 pair of her halos now and they're just gorgeous. I'll try and link those below in case you have any interest. Did it defrizz at all? I didn't look beforehand. We'll just pretend like it did. It feels nice and it smells lovely. Okay, next I have an Earth Harbor Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. And that is what that looks like. Earth Harbor is having a moment. Earth Harbor in boxes has become like, you know how we used to say about Wander Beauty? Earth Harbor has become that. Oh, I have this. I can tell by the gorgeousness of the bottle. So I'm not going to open this in case we want to pass it along. I don't use it every day, but I do use it. I used it more in the winter when I was really needing more hydration, but I could absolutely use it. That's it. I don't have to read the ingredients because I have used it and I liked it a lot. The paperwork says it is full-sized, it has a $48 value, so that's paid for your box several times over. Unparalleled in strength for combating pollutants and daily skin stressors. This ampule is a necessity for skin in need of after-sun replenishment. See, I didn't use it for that. I didn't know that. Bold defense against the elements. That sounded very Harry Potter. Defense against the elements. And thriving barrier function. It restores antioxidants, normalizes skin pH, and smooths fine lines. Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. Massage until absorbed, follow with moisturizer. Well, good news, that is exactly what I did. And it's such, isn't it so pretty? I love the look of all of the Earth Harbor ampules. Okay, my box seems to have gone completely off book. I mean completely off book. This says that I'm gonna have a Josephine Cosmetics Do You Flawless Liquid Highlighter. I don't. And it says that I'm gonna have a Polar Deluxe Mini Very High Protection Sunscreen SPF 50+. And I don't. What I do have is a Nails Inc. Gorgeous Pink Nail Polish and a Bella Pierre Stay Put Brow Gel. I'm actually much happier with these 2 products, but that said, it must have been a box with a variation and they just put my wrong paperwork in, if I were guessing. This is gorgeous. I love, it's quickly becoming one of my favorite nail polishes, the Nails Inc., partially because I think it stays on really well, and partially because I love their brushes. I'm gonna show you. There's something about their brushes that I just love. They are nice and wide. Can you see how wide out? It's kind of ovaled at the top, but they're thin. There's just something about them that puts just the exact amount of nail polish on that you need. And this color is Blossom Kisses. It's a gorgeous color. So I am very happy. I'll just say I have this instead of the sun cream, and I'm very happy with that. And instead of the Josephine Cosmetics, I have this Bella Pierre brow product. Well, let's check this out. I am always in search of an awesome eyebrow product. So the top has the brush in it. And then when we take the bottom off, let's see if it's a powder. What do we got here? Nope, it's a cream. So it's a little cream. The color is perfect for me. I don't know if it says what color it is. Chestnut. Chestnuts roasting. Wrong season. So I'm just going to take the brush and go across the top a little bit. You probably can't see it. And we'll try it on the back. Oh, gorgeous. It's like I just made an eyebrow. That is awesome. Which normally for my hair I would say it's a little dark, but I do my eyebrows dark. So you know what? Let's play with it a little bit. I will absolutely be trying this. Can you guys, oh, I can tell. Let's say, can you guys tell that it's darkening it up a little bit? Let's check this side out. Let's see if it does the same. Oh, oh. Okay, so you've got to use a light hand because can you see right here? I just got a little bit of a line on myself. I'm sure I can even it out. Yeah, easy peasy. Wow, I like this a lot. Well, that was a happy mistake for me that my box did not match my paperwork, because I am very happy to try this, and I really like the color and feel of this. I will definitely be trying it on fresh brows. It had a little bit of a cheat today because my brows were already done, but look at my glasses. They've taken to making such dark spots in my nose. So you just put that back on it, and then this fits down in it. Don't have my glasses on, perfect. Brows ready to go. That would be so much easier to travel with than a brow brush. I like that. Okay, that's my box. Although it went off book, I am very happy with it. Actually, I'd have been very happy with either box. I don't know much about the Josephine Cosmetics, but I have had it, several of them in the past, some lips, some eyes, and I have always liked it. And that's what that looked like if you received that. And then that was the Polar Sun Cream if you received that. But I received this lovely nail polish and brow, love it. The Earth Harbor Helios facial oil, this Aveda leave-in conditioner, which smells fantastic. And I don't think it weighed my hair down at all, but I do think it took a little of the frizz out of it. And then the Uriage Eau Thermale. You know what? I could just keep doing this all day. It feels so good. Can definitely taste the salt though. If you're not a fan of salt, like if you don't want to feel like popcorn that you're salting, I don't mind that at all though. Yep, this is gonna live right here. I'm gonna be like, ah. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. If you are considering, oh, Nipe. I just looked down and I was like, I just quit talking. Like, I also received the Nipe Mineral Bath Salts, which make for a lovely bath, or you can do a foot soak. Okay, let's try that again. Thank you so much for coming by. I do truly appreciate you taking the time to come here. If you have any interest in Glossybox, I will put my link and my code before. If you sign up for a year, it will get you your first box for only $1. And the beauty of Glossybox is they do such fantastic special boxes, and so many of them sell out super quick. So if you are already a member, you get access to those boxes quickly. I will be back soon with that awesome summer box. I will show you the blow dryer that you could win if you get one of the Goldie tickets. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you really soon. Take care, guys.